how to sign out of NFL Sunday Ticket on all devices. Before starting, you need to remember some things. NFL Sunday Ticket is tied to your Google account, not a separate app login anymore. That means signing out of your Google or YouTube account means signing out of Sunday Ticket. And also, there isn't a direct sign out of all devices button inside Sunday Ticket. You have to manage it through your Google account security settings. Firstly, you need to go to Google My Account Security, then scroll to Your Devices and click on Manage All Devices. Here you should be able to see all your phone, TV, tablet, or browser where your Google account is signed in. Now click on the device that you want to sign out. Now repeat this for each device or remove them all. This is the most easiest way. This will instantly log you out of your YouTube or YouTube TV or NFL Sunday Ticket on that device. So that's all for today. Thank you.